Okay, so I want to start number 3, but I want to read the definition that we just did one more time. The slope of a curve at a point is the slope of the tangent line at that point. So keep that in the back of your mind. What is the slope of the curve f of x equals x squared at the point 2, 4? So I'll start by labeling 2, 4. 2, 4 is right there. What is the slope of the curve at the point 2, 4? So from our definition, we are going to start by drawing a tangent line. Okay, so I've got our tangent line at the point 2, 4. And then instead of looking at the curve, I look at the straight line and try to find the slope of the straight line. So there's actually 2 really good points here, one here and one here. I'm going to find the slope of that line. So this first point looks like it's 1.52. The other one up here looks like it's 2.5, 6. So now I'm going to do my slope formula. And then let's see, 1.52 and 2.56. So m equals y2, 6 minus 2 over 2.5 minus 1.5. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is 4. 2.5 minus 1.5 is 1. So I just get 4. Okay, so the hope is then that instead of worrying about this curve here, I worry about the tangent line, and the tangent line has a slope of 4 at that point, so the curve has a slope of 4 at that point. Okay, let's try another one just like it. Uh-oh, looks like yeah. Okay, so for number 4, what is the slope of the curve f of x equals x squared at the point -3, 9? So I've actually got a picture down here. It seems like it slipped. So I've got -3, 9. And I've got a point here, -3.5, 12. So instead of looking for a point over here, I can actually just use this point again because it's also on the tangent line, this dotted line here. So I'll do m equals, let's see, x1, y1, x2, y2. Perfect. Okay, so 9 minus 12 over -3 minus 3.5 minus -3.5. That is important. Okay, 9 minus 12 is -3, and -3 plus 3.5 is 6.5. Oh, wait, -3. Oh, almost made a mistake. So a minus is a plus. So -3 plus 3.5 is 0.5, which gives us a 6. Okay, so from before, the slope of f of x at 0, 0 we said was 0. The slope of f of x at 2, 4, when we did that we got 4. The slope of f of x equals -3 over 9. That should be a negative. We got was -6. Okay, so are you seeing a pattern here? So 0, 0, 2, 4, -3, 6. It's doubling this x value in here every single time. So let's go back and look at this real quick just to make sure we're all on the same page. Okay, so this is x squared. So it's the same function all 3 times. X squared at the point 0, 0, we said the slope was 0. Okay. X squared at the point 2, 4, we said the slope was 4. Same exact function down here. This is still x squared. At the point -3, 9, we got that the slope was -6. So the pattern here is that the x value, whatever the x value is, it's doubled. So the slope of the graph of f of x at f of x equals x squared at the point xy is just 2x. So you can actually just trust me on that. Trust me on this, that this is true. This, it's not just a trick, these 3 points, it worked for these 3 points. It's always true. The slope of the graph of f of x equals x squared at the point xy is always 2x. It's a pattern. So interpretation. The slope of a curve as a rate of change. The slope of a curve at a point P measures the rate of change of the curve at that point. It's an instantaneous rate. The slope of the line tangent to a curve at a point P measures the rate of change of the curve at that point.